Welcome back to our stoichiometry series. Today, we'll delve into balancing chemical equations, a crucial step in understanding chemical reactions. A balanced chemical equation ensures that the number of atoms for each element is equal on both sides, adhering to the law of conservation of mass. We'll explore two primary methods for balancing: the inspection method and the algebraic, or simultaneous equation, method. The inspection method is ideal for simpler equations, relying on logical observation to adjust coefficients. Remember, you must never use subscripts to balance atoms. Only coefficients can be changed. For more complex equations, the algebraic method provides a systematic approach by assigning variables as coefficients and forming mathematical relationships. This method involves setting up simultaneous equations for each element and solving for the coefficients, often by assuming one coefficient is unity. Mastering these balancing techniques is fundamental for accurate quantitative analysis in chemistry. Keep practicing these methods to build your confidence and proficiency in stoichiometry.